Hi guys, so I'm back with another YouTube video, and today's video is related to something which I get really excited about. So as you can see by the title of the video, this video is related to TikTok transition, how you can smoothly make your TikTok transitions. Now personally, I love making TikToks, whether it's transition videos, tutorial videos, or maybe just simple lip sync. I just love doing that, and thankfully I've been getting a lot of love on that platform, and I just hope it continues. So if you've not yet followed me on TikTok, firstly you just need to follow me right away, and this is my handle. So make sure that you follow me on TikTok and like all my videos, and I hope you enjoy my videos. So since the time I've started using TikTok, this particular topic has been the much requested video. A lot of people ask me, how do I make transition videos, how do I make my TikToks, what are the software, what are the apps that I use. So I'm gonna tell you all about it in this video. So if you want to know, keep on watching this video. The most common question that I get is, what phone do I use? Because majority of the people out there think that all the best TikTokers use an iPhone, but that's not the case. I make my videos on an Android phone, and I edit my videos on my laptop. But in this video, I'm not going to show the laptop tutorials because that is an extremely heavy app. And I know all the people out there who want to make transition videos, they want something which is very simple to use, and they can just edit the videos on their phone and upload it immediately. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Now, personally, I use my phone camera to record all my transition videos. I do not record any of my transition videos from the inbuilt TikTok camera, because personally I feel, first of all, the quality of the camera just reduces completely when you're using the inbuilt camera, but your phone camera looks much better. Even though at both the times you're using the same camera, I just feel that the quality of the TikTok camera is just slightly reduced because there are so many filters that you can apply. And the second reason is that when you're using the TikTok inbuilt camera and when you're making transition videos, you might have to take a lot of retakes, and finally you'll get a perfect transition video. So I don't want to take so many retakes. I want my video to be ready in the shortest time possible, first. And secondly, I can add a lot of slow motion, fast motions in the video if I'm making it from my camera, but you can't do that in the TikTok app itself. You can just use the filters and effects that's already available in the app. There are 3 levels of transition that I'm gonna show, 3 levels or 3 categories you can call it. The first one is gonna be the most simplest transition. You can manipulate the transition in any way that you want to. You can use your creativity. The first transition is a very basic transition, which you can just change the way you want to. And like if you're just a beginner, just start with the first level of transition and pro that, and then move on to the other levels of transition. And keep on watching this video and you'll just get to know what I'm talking about. So let me just show you the setup first. So this is my ring light, and this is the phone from which I record my videos. I don't use an iOS phone. This is my Android phone, and this is what I shoot. And the background which I shoot my videos, let me just show you that as well. So this is the background where I shoot. I use a lot of black cloth as well to shoot my videos. Any plain wall will do. Okay, so the first thing is, you don't really need a ring light. If you don't have it, just works. If you don't have a tripod as well, it works. Just keep your phone at a place where it doesn't move a lot and the frame doesn't change. So basically the idea behind transition videos is that your frame should not change. Like the video on which you're recording, the frame in which you're recording, that should remain the same. and that works really best if you have a plain background. But if you don't have a plain background, then just use whatever background that you have, but make sure that your phone doesn't move at all, because if the frame changes, the transition won't be that smooth, when you are working with solid backgrounds. If you can, just make sure that your background is pretty dark. That's why most of the TikTokers use black background, because it makes everything look good and it makes everything look pretty, and the transition just falls smoothly in black backgrounds. But if you don't have a black background, doesn't matter, you can use these solid walls as well. It just works perfectly. Now the next thing that you need to remember is, make sure that like I am in the frame right now at a certain angle, at a certain position. So when I am going to change my outfit, I will make sure that I am in this certain angle only, in this ratio only. Like I cannot be in front of the camera when I have changed my outfit, or I am a bit behind the camera, very far away from the camera, and the proportion just changes of your body which is inside the frame. So that you need to make sure, just stay in the center, make sure that you're in the center, and the proportion, the ratio of your body is similar to what it was in the first half of the video. And that's very easy to understand, because like it's normal logic.
No, 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 no.
In most of the transition video, basically what they show is they are not looking that good, and not so glamorous in the first half of the video, and then all of a sudden there is this change and the person starts looking fabulous and glamorous and etc etc. That is the basic idea about transition. So how can you do that? I mean, it's just normal logic, but I'm just gonna lay it out there. So for the first frame, I have come without makeup. I don't have any kajal, any lipstick, anything on my face, and I'm wearing casual outfits. I'm keeping my hair tight so that I look as casual as possible, and I'm gonna wear these specs. These specs don't have any glasses, so these work really well because it doesn't show any reflection of the ring light on the glasses. So that is like my hack to you guys. Initially, you just gotta pose, like do whatever you want to. You're just adjusting your clothes and stuff like that, and do a transition. Just decide on the transition that you want to do. Like, do you want to do this? Do you want to do this? Do you like want to pull some cloth? Just decide on what you want to do. Okay. So let me just show you what I'm gonna do for this one. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna stop the camera. So this is the action where I have stopped the camera. Now I'm gonna change my outfit. I'm gonna change my look. I'm gonna do my makeup, look all glamorous, and then come back here and do the transition. Okay, so this is the action which I need to remember, because this is the action by which I have ended the video. So this is the first half of my video. I did a bit of posing, a bit of acting. Now I'm gonna wait and change my outfit, and I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Okay, so now I am all decked up with makeup and everything, full glam look, outfit, everything. So now I'm gonna just stand, at the equal distance which I was in the first half of the video. So I think this is where I was. So I'm gonna start, doing what I did. So I ended my video with this action. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this action, and I'm gonna pause a bit so that there is continuity. Even if I don't require the next half of the video, at least you'll understand the process when like I'll show you how I'm editing and everything. So you'll understand that. So let's just start doing, okay, so what we did this, we're gonna do this again. So I've stopped the video, and that is it for this part. Now you will see how I edit this video, how I combine the first half and the second half together. So just wait for that.
So now I have all these videos which I have shot for transition videos, and these two are the footage which we are going to edit. So I'm going to open TikTok, and I'm going to open the camera, and here I am, as you can see me. Hi guys. So we are going to open the gallery, and we are going to select the two videos in the same order in which it needs to be edited. When I open it, the video plays it together in the app only, in TikTok app only, with an inbuilt music. So if you want, you can use that music, but I want to use a different music, and I'm going to select that music and click on OK, and then I'm going to edit both of these videos because it's not lined up in the way I want it to. It's not looking like a transition, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the default part, and we are going to edit individual of these videos. We are going to basically trim both of these videos. So what we need to keep in mind is that the last frame of our first clipping has to be the same as the first frame of our second part. I hope that makes sense. So just see the editing, you'll understand what I mean. So I'm done with trimming the parts, and now I'm going to just check if it worked or not. So this looks great, and I was just about to post it, but then this mistake occurred in the video. So we trimmed the video, right, and we checked as well, but why isn't it looking the way we want it to? That's because the music which we have selected, it's only of 11 to 12 seconds I think, and our video is more than 15 seconds. So we just need to trim the end and the starting of our video, and then just click on next, and we'll be done with the video. So it's that simple, and that's it, guys. You don't need any other extra app to edit these transition videos. It was quite simple, right?
So that was it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found this helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and forward it to your friends and help them out in making TikTok as well. So I hope you are enjoying TikTok, and I hope you make TikToks as well rather than just scrolling down the TikTok in this lockdown season. So if you make any of the videos with the help of the tutorials that I have given you, please do tag me, whether it's TikTok or Instagram or anywhere. Just tag me so that I get to know that you have seen my video and I have been able to help you out. So do tag me, and I hope you guys liked this video, and that was it for this video.